Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. And today, y'all, we are going to do a trending hairstyle right now, and that is boho twists. Okay, so the trending style is actually probably boho braids, but braids are going to take way too long, so we're going to do the little condemned version of boho twist. I think it's going to be a lot easier to twist my hair instead of braiding, especially because I change my hairstyle like every 3 days. And so we are going to try to accomplish this hairstyle. I've never done boho twist before, but you just twist it out, take some hair out, and you curl it. My hair has a hard time curling on its own, so I do have my flexi rods here. So the pieces that we leave out, we're probably going to put them on flexi rods and then wait for them to dry. And then also let's go over what we're going to be using to style our hair as well, because I really did like the sea moss collection from Curls, their foam, but I also used this once upon a time. This is argan oil hair pomade, y'all. I think I'm going to go with this one. I just want to see how it's going to react on my blown out dry hair. In the back, I'm not going to be focusing on parting because you're not going to be able to see the parting, but in the front, I am going to be focusing on the parting. So I'm going to use my Jam and Shine, just get those edges nice and fleek, all those parts nice and fleek. Yeah, so we're going to use that as well. Of course, I have some clips here to clip my hair out the way. And I also have here with me some parting combs. You guys can get these right off Amazon. I have them linked in my storefront. They're different from regular rat tail combs because they have a wide gap here, and that's going to help with your parting. And they just have it like this on this end as well. Regular combs, parting combs, you gonna need something, friend. You gonna need something. And we do have a detangling brush here just in case. So that's everything that I have. Now what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to knock out the back section off camera. Again, I'm not going to be too worried about my parting, so this is going to be super quick and easy, and then I will come back when we get to the front so I can show you guys what I'm actually doing. Are you guys ready to see these boho twists? Let's get it, babe. Hey y'all. All right, so as you can see, we are back and the back section is done. Child, that took forever. Yeah, that took really long. Like, I am probably not gonna do this again. I'm not sure about my ends, if I'm gonna actually put like those small perm rods on the ends, but anyways, let me show you how I'm doing this style. Okay, so basically this is how you do the boho twist. We're gonna start with this front section right here. Now with the back section, I did not care about parting, but now that we're at the front, I do care about the parting, so I'm gonna add a few extra steps, starting with the parting comb. All right, so we are breaking out the jam, guys. This is the Shine and Jam. All right, let me take a little bit on my nail. Alright, so I'm just going to split it in half and then start to twist after I get all the product on there. I'm not twisting too far down until I take that first piece out. You just kind of take that piece out from the two sections. It's nasty, but I'm going to put it in my mouth because I have nowhere else to put it. Like that. It don't taste good. It don't taste good at all. Alright, keep twisting down. Ugh, it tastes so nasty, y'all. I'm gonna have to find like a new way to put those little pieces of section. So you should have like 2 or 3 sections, doing like every other one, every other row, whatever you want to do, and then twist all the way down. All right, so I just took hair out of the back one. I didn't take any hair out the front one. All right, so to add the flexi rod, literally just breaking that into 2 sections, overlapping them, I already invested so much time into this. Like, I'm just gonna take my time and do it right. Like, make sure the parting is right, make sure everything's correct, because we've already been sitting here for a good 2 hours. This done by like 5 so I can sit under the dryer and go to my workout class at 7. It is now 7:08 and I'm still doing my hair, so. Alright y'all, so it is officially 7:15. I've just finished. Oh my god, that took forever. I think I started at like 3:30. Normally it only takes an hour, maybe 2 hours max to do my hair, so 2.5, 3 hours is just way too much for me. But yeah, this is how it's looking. This better be the cutest hairstyle ever, bro. Like, I'm really going in right now. So it's a combination of twist and locks. Again, these are called boho twist. This is a trendy hairstyle right now. Most people were doing them without the flexi rods because, well, that's on them. But my hair, I need a lot of manipulation to get the curl to curl. So the flexi rods were perfect for me. Hopefully it comes out right. I am going to allow this style to kind of dry and get right. It was just like a lot. Like, it's still, like, it feels like a lot. Yeah, we just going to let this dry. We're going to come back. We're going to take it out. We're going to see how it do. Alright, y'all. So thanks for sticking around. And if you're having fun, if you're learning something, if you are enjoying the hairstyle, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. I teach all things natural hair over here. Follow me if that's something that you're interested in. Alright guys, I am going to clean up, chill out, and I'll be back when they're dry. Hey y'all. Alright, so it is the next day. I went ahead and went to sleep in a bonnet. Fingers crossed they're dry so we can take them out. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. I hope these come out nice. I do see that my ends are looking a little bit raggedy, so I am probably going to either put jewelry on the ends or I might just rod the ends some type of way so they can be curly as well. Not sure, but we'll find out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take these out of my hair so we can see how these look. Alright, so I'm just going to start with this side right here. Taking this first one, all I'm going to do is just make it straight so the ends are going to become straight. I'm going to unravel a little bit so I can start to go like that. That is so cute. Okay, let's keep going. So again, I'm just going to find all of the rods, make them straight, unravel a little bit, and then go ahead and start to unravel in the opposite direction. Just like that. And I know you guys can't really see it because they're so kind of tiny. It's like exactly what I wanted. I'm really excited. Like, I wanted that long curl. I did not want those tight spiral curls that eventually will fall over time. No, baby, we're starting out long. Okay, just so it can mimic the twist. The twist is long, so the curl should be long too, you know? Alright y'all, so I'm done taking out like the front section right here. I'm gonna fix the ends. Maybe that's what the problem is, but like maybe it's the ends that's like throwing me off. I don't know. It looks like unfinished or something. Yeah, this looks weird. You can't even really see the curls. I'm gonna do my best to fix it. I'm gonna fix the twist, the ends on the twist. They gotta be fixed. Let me go ahead and take out the other side and then I will come back on camera to give you guys my final results or review. Hey y'all, alright, so I just finished taking out the other side. I did put some of them to the side to give a little bit more of a swoop effect. So I'll just have to like let that sleep and like lay flat, but right now this is how it's looking. Okay, so one, I do not like it. I don't like it because you really can't tell that there's curls in there. I think if I could go back in time and redo this hairstyle, I would make the curls a lot thicker. Not a lot, but like twice as thick. The curls that you probably can see, they're pretty thick and they're on top. But majority of the curls that you like, they're so pretty. The curls are curling, honey. It ain't the curl fault. I don't know. But the curls that you can see, they're thick and they're on top. And then everything else is kind of just like, you can't see nothing. You can't even tell there's curls. Like I don't know. Maybe it's coming across different on the screen. but like you can't tell. Anywho, I don't like the ends either. I'm going to go ahead and fix the ends because I'm not about to just let this hairstyle be a fail. I'm actually going to like try to recover from it. So I think maybe if I fix the ends, I'm just going to put baby perm rods on the ends and curl them and then see if that makes any difference because it's giving a lot of frizz right now. So let me go ahead and fix the ends. I'm going to try to do something with those and then we're just going to see if we can fix this hairstyle up a little bit. I don't know. Maybe like I worked so hard. I worked so hard on this. I did the parting, like everything, bro. The parting looks good, right? Parting looks okay. It's just the hairstyle itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix it and see what happens. I'll be back, y'all. Hey y'all. Alright, so here's the update. This did not last at all. The same day I took out the flexi rods, which are still right here, I went to the gym and I came back from the gym and the curls fell. Like, I didn't even get a day out of this hairstyle. So here it is right here. You can see, like, that's how frizzy the curls are. Now it's been a few days, but it's been looking like this since day one. The curls fell right when I went to the gym, which I kind of knew that was going to happen. So yeah, so now we're just gonna go ahead and take it out. I actually have a hair event to go to tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to do something. All right, let me take these out, y'all. Alright y'all, so I am finished. So again, sorry if you can hear the AC in the background. So this is it. This is how we're looking. It's a little bit dandruffy, but again, I'm going to probably wash my hair and redo it tonight. Sorry that the boho twist did not work out, but I do thank you guys for tuning in. Come back for some more hair videos. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.